challenge of getting to state. We have to get there since we tied Park Hill. Park Hill cannot beat Liberty by 50 points or more. If they do, we don't go to state. But if we do go to state, I don't want anything less than a state championship.
My expectations for state is to win it, obviously. There's a lot of good teams there, but the good teams that are there, we've already whooped pretty bad. So, like, the good teams that are going to state will probably get killed at nationals. So, I don't know, we're just going to hope for the best, maybe pull a Cinderella story out.
Nationals is a little bit harder. You know, we're the new kids on the block in nationals. We're going against guys, their teams have like 400 kids. We've talked to them, and it's pretty impressive the way these guys play. They're obviously going on to national level. They play in other countries. So I think we'll do all right. We'll still be able to play with some of them. Probably won't win it all, but that'd be pretty cool if we did, though.